Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 update error code solved. First method is click Start, Settings. Click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Windows Update. Second method is click search icon, type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Windows Update service. Change startup type to automatic, click start the service, click apply, click OK. Restart the service. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type net space, stop space, WUAU-serve. Type net space, stop space, crypt SVC. Type net space, stop space, bits. Ren space, //Windows /software distribution space, software distribution.old. Ren space, //Windows /system32 /catro2 space, catro2.old. Type net space, start space, WUAU-serve. Type net space, start space, CRYPTSVC. Type net space, start space, bits. Exit and restart system. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type SFC space, /scano. Type DISM space, /online space, /cleanup -image space, /restore health. Exit and restart system. Fifth method is open any browser. Type Windows 11 download in browser search bar. Click Download Windows 11. Click Download Now under Create Windows 11 Installation Media. Open downloaded file. Click Next. Select ISO file, click Mount. Open Setup file. Select Install Windows 11 and keep personal files and apps, click Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.